Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V60 Lite, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then, secondly, make sure that you are logged into your Google account because without it, you will not be able to follow my steps. You can do it right after entering the Play Store, or you can do it in the settings. You can check also our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So you do not have to do it on your own. Actually, you can simply check how it should look like. All right, so after that, let's open the Play Store. And here we have to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is basically your account. Then let's go to Manage Apps and Device and tap on Updates available here. And here we've got the list of all updates pending. And if you wish, you can simply tap on Update All to download all of them. Or you can just choose specific apps and tap on Update next to them. And right now your device will of course download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.